Everything else in your smart home is getting smarter, so why not your ceiling fan too? A smart ceiling fan offers limited cooling relief, but it's worth it for its affordable price and energy efficiency. Since smart fans have a reverse motor, so they can operate in both ways while running quietly. Not only that, you can control the fan wirelessly, and they also enable powerful automation capabilities. So in this video, we will show you the top 5 best smart ceiling fans, and without any further ado, let's dive into it. Hey guys, welcome to Smart Home 101. Here, we will be sharing insightful videos to familiarize you with the idea of a smart home and automation tips. After testing and analyzing thousands of products, our team of experts have come up with buying guides, reviews, recommendations, and the latest buzz so that you are always up to date with the current smart home trends. With more than 100 years of transforming industries, Honeywell is well known for its top inventions, aerospace, technologies, and home appliances, including 50195 Rio Smart Ceiling Fan. To enjoy seamless voice control, an additional bond hub is required, giving you full access to your smart fan. The included remote provides various speed settings, smart sync for quick setup, walk-away light delay, and more to make controlling the fan easier than any traditional one. Its tri-mount blades deliver a unique and contemporary appearance to your decor while smoothly covering medium to large rooms. Like Provision fans, it also features a quiet reversible motor which allows you to enjoy a cool and warm breeze during any weather conditions. Above all, for reliable performance and energy efficiency, the Honeywell 50195 Rio can complement most spaces. Enjoy a smart home life that Provision Smart Ceiling Fan created for you, because this home appliance can boast a modern farmhouse rustic shape to refresh your space. You can wirelessly control this smart fan from any corner of your house in 4 different ways, which are voice control, smart app, remote, and smart switch control. It features a superior quiet motor and offers strong airflow with whisper air sound, letting you fall asleep with quiet cool wind. Plus, you can change the direction of fan blades to generate both cool and warm air during summer and winter. To light up a large room, its integrated LEDs offer multiple color temperatures with 3600 lumens of brightness. Besides, you can also control this light from the app and remote. In summary, the Provision Smart Ceiling Fan can blend with anywhere for its classic old look and matte dark finish, and within $180, it's the best bang for the buck. Having a non-brand fan that can produce ample air? Then meet the HaikuL from BigAss, delivering chilly airflow while featuring an iconic design for your small interior. Using a remote controller, you can enjoy the natural breeze through its different fan settings, while its sleep mode ensures you can fall asleep as quickly as possible. To expand your user experience, the HaikuL app allows you to adjust comfort settings, making this fan a great option for smaller spaces. When the Wi-Fi is enabled, you can pair this fan with your favorite voice assistant so that you can easily turn it on or off from your bed to your couch. Moreover, no matter if you're a small apartment or a mid-sized room, the BigAss-HaikuL can help you chill at any cost. Whether it's summer or winter, stay cool or cozy with the Morpheus 3. a modern form of fan pair with the smart home tech that you know and love. You can wirelessly control this fan by enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, ensuring a reliable remote control facility that you might want to get from your fan. The most amazing fact is, your Morpheus fan is compatible with renowned voice assistants and supports both iOS and Android platforms so that you can control it from any smart home device with ease. It's durably finished and rated for interior and exterior use, which means you can install this smart fan into your kitchen, backyard, or patio without any worries. To sum things up, the Morpheus 3 is suitable for those who need silk yet bold, a smart fan that can go with both indoor and outdoor easily. Get powerful airflow and keep your space cool with the Hunter Advocate. That will flawlessly mix with your smart home interior and keep your space looking inspired. It's backed with a DC motor which can deliver an ultra-powerful breeze with whisper quiet performance while allowing you to switch directions from downdraft to updraft. The Advocate fan comes with energy-efficient dimmable LED, letting you control the lighting and ambience to keep the interior inspired and live. You can control light and fan speed remotely from anywhere in the room or ask your favorite voice assistant to do the rest for you. Its low profile is designed to be used in rooms with low ceilings, making it ideal for living rooms, lounges, bedrooms, and children's rooms. Last but not least, the Hunter Advocate may be cheap in price but robust in performance with ultra-powerful airflow. So these were the top 5 best smart ceiling fans just for you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.